Secondly, is low clerical error. It is where the error can be avoidance, since computerized system can detect any errors by scanning and processing the information. Third, the concentration of duties. As computer programs perform more than one set of activities at a time, thereby concentrating the duties of several personnel involved in the work.
Next one is shifting of internal control base. Application system development control and system software control are designed to provide reasonable assurance that both are the system that acquired or developed in an authorized and efficient manner.
The fifth one is disappearance of manual reasonableness. It is an effort where a focused computer system are created by either deleting or managing the manual operations. Sixth is the impact of poor system. It is where proper care has to be taken to switch the manual operations that computerized system to avoid any unnecessary harm and ensure quality standard performance. Next is exception reporting. It is summary report which identify events that outside the scope of what are considered in normal range. While the strength, it is a selective with recognition effectiveness of information. And lastly, is man-machine interface. It is ensure maximum effectiveness of information system where the information presented to used and determined whether it is necessary to achieve through a careful analysis of the job. Move to the next subtopic, which is assessing risks of information technology.
Lack of transaction trail. Audit trail may available for the short period or not in the form of computer-readable form. Or if the transaction is too complex and high volume, errors may embedded in application's program logic and difficult to detect on a timely basis. Next one is there is a lack of segregation of duties. Many of control procedures are performed by separate individual in manual systems but may not be in CIS.
The third one is potential for errors and irregularities. Potential for human error and unable to detect the error may be greater in CIS. Also, the potential of unauthorized access to data without visible evidence may be greater in CIS than manual system. Fourth, initiation or execution of transaction. CIS may have capabilities to execution transaction automatically. For example, calculation of depreciation. The authorization for transaction is not available. Next, there has a lack of visible output. Certain transaction or result may not be printed. Thus, the lack of visible output may result in the need to access data retained on files readable only by computer.